If you've ever wanted to record crystal clear audio from your desktop, whether it's streaming music, system sounds, or gameplay, OBS Studio makes it easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to record any audio playing through your computer, so your footage sounds as professional as it looks. Let's get started right away. The quickest and most reliable way to capture everything coming out of your speakers or headphones is by using OBS's audio output capture feature. This records the sound exactly as your computer hears it, much like placing a microphone right next to your speakers, but with zero background noise and perfect quality. Here's how to set it up. First, you'll need to add a new source. In OBS, look toward the bottom of the screen for the panel labeled Sources. You'll see a plus sign, plus, just below or in the corner. Go ahead and click that. You might notice a bunch of options here, but don't worry. We're focusing on audio specifically. From the menu, select Audio Output Capture. This tells OBS you want to record audio that's coming out of your computer, not an external microphone, but all the sounds you hear. After clicking it, a small window pops up. OBS will ask you to give your new audio source a name. It's a good habit to use a descriptive name like desktop audio or system sound, so you can easily find it later, especially if you decide to add multiple audio sources. Just type in a name and click OK. Now, you'll see another settings window labeled Properties. This is where you choose which device OBS should listen to. If you're using speakers, select them. If you use headphones most of the time, pick those instead. The device drop-down lists all the possible outputs connected to your computer. Sometimes there are a few, like built-in speakers, Bluetooth headphones, or external sound cards. Pick the one your audio is actually coming from. If you're unsure, just play a sound on your computer and look for the name that matches where you hear it. Once you've chosen your device, click OK to confirm. OBS will add your audio output source to the scene, and you'll notice a new bar in the audio mixer with your chosen name. If you play music, a video, or even just a notification sound, you should see the meter react with green bars jumping up and down. That's a good sign. OBS is successfully detecting, mixing, and recording your desktop audio. Sometimes it takes a moment for the mixer to pick up those sounds. If you don't see movement right away, double-check that you selected the right device, and make sure your computer isn't muted. Don't worry if you're a little unsure at first. Mixing audio can feel a bit like tuning an old radio. With a little adjustment, it works like magic. And that's all there is to it. Now, whenever you start recording or streaming in OBS Studio, all the audio from your selected output device will be captured alongside your video. It's perfect for tutorials, gameplay, music reviews, or any moment you want viewers to hear exactly what you hear. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or get stuck. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear guides and tips on making OBS work for you. Until next time, happy recording.